Did you know that cracking your knuckles could be slowly destroying your joints? Every time you crack a joint, tiny nitrogen bubbles explode inside your synovial fluid. This creates microscopic damage to your cartilage that builds up over time. Your brain releases feel-good chemicals when you crack joints, making it addictive. But here's the scary part. Research shows people who crack their joints regularly develop arthritis 40% faster than those who don't. That satisfying pop might be costing you pain-free movement later in life.